Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you about something that I've talked about before, but it's pretty important, so I figured I'd talk about it again or mention it again. And that's if your plan for taking care of your lawn, for your lawn care this year, is to go out in the spring and to purchase a weed and feed and to put it on your lawn. Basically, you're wasting your time and you're wasting your money. I hate to say it, but that's the truth. And that's the truth about those products. It's a waste of time and it's a waste of money. And here's why. The whole premise behind these products, weed and feed, is you got the weed side of it that's an herbicide that kills weeds that are in your lawn. Then you got the feed, the fertilizer for it. And the whole premise and the assumption is that you have a weed problem to begin with. So you have weeds coming up in your lawn, you go out and you get this weed and feed, you put it out, and yes, it is going to kill some of those weeds. It probably won't kill all of them, but it will kill some of them, and it will feed your lawn. But the problem is, it's only a matter of weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, and more weeds start emerging, and you're back to square one, and you're going to have to do something else. That's the problem with these products. You're constantly playing catch up. You're constantly battling weeds throughout the course of the entire year. You're spending a lot of time and money throughout the course of the entire year trying to battle with your weeds and to keep them under control. So it's just a nightmare, and it's just not a good way of going about with your lawn care. So what you need to do is you need to use a pre-emergent. You need to use a pre-emergent right now, and then in the spring and the summer you need to use a high quality fertilizer. So I hope that helps. We'd be glad to help you out with that. We can get you an estimate. We can get your pre-emergent out right now. We can do it in a timely manner. Just give us a call, fill out the estimate form below, or click on the link, fill out the estimate form, and you can send us your address. We can get you an estimate in no time at all, and we can get you scheduled in. A lot of people don't realize it, but having us treat your lawn for you is a lot of times the same price as you doing it yourself, or many times it's even cheaper for us to do it rather than you do it yourself. So again, hope that helps. You need to get this done, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.